over. Generals again. Only you, yeah, ladies, only you can make me feel just like a king. Love you give to me so real, makes me feel. Listen, girl, just like me, just the skin you know, spoil me, fix a bill. General to the building. Only you can make me feel just like a king. Love you give to me so real. Ready? Girl, just like me, get to see you know. Spoil me. If it's a better life, fight for you. Surely will. To prove to you my love. So deep within. See if we get it deeper. Since I'm great person, longing for. My baby to love me. What was it? What am I longing for? And my baby to love me more. What am I longing? Can we see each other again? Can we see each other again? 'Cause I know that someone must be there comforting you whenever you need a friend. I'ma make you mine. Give me some time. I'ma surely make you move. It may be long, but not forever. It's when I get myself together. Whoa, see, I love you, baby. Oh, it's a lie. What am I longing for? Oh, my baby to love me more. What am I longing? She didn't know it would come back. He died from the blood of fire. And I would be lying down. She said, help me, oh Lord, help. I want you to stand. And then she earned for tonight. When you cry, I cry alone. When you smile, when you cry, when you cry. Oh yes, you got to be strong. Endure the pain that you can. The world is out there for the taking. I may say yes, you got to be strong. Whoa. Oh, yeah. me. No wicked heart can test me, no matter what they try. To the evil side, Babylon blessed never cease. Yeah. Empire Selassie, I never see the judgment. Wicked on me, wickedness taken So get to you, be one. Open up your eyes, because the sound of judge of love. No wicked heart can touch, no matter what they try. Oh, my fans are Generals rocking. Anybody smoke tree? I mean, somebody give it. Burning the ice cream, I get it to my head. Burning marijuana when it good, you give it. We burn all the ice cream, I get it to my head. Sometimes I bake it, sometimes I skate. But anyway, I give it to Bridget, my sister. Healing of the nation, probably they know. They keep it up and then they destroy. They rip it up and take it for a grant. It's the healing of the nation, getting it from the healing of the marijuana from the Jenna Roach back in. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm afraid you know about true struggles. No. I want to listen to one. Yeah. Behind this prison wall, doing my research and doing my time. I'm spending my restless nights, vision and faces. Hear them cry. Help me sing. Here we go. Prisoner of the roses, liberty makes me mad. Wish that job could come and take us back in. 'Cause I swear I can be a better man. I swear only you can understand the fear set me free. Na 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 na. 1, 2, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Jenna Roots Band. Give it up for the Jenna Roots Band. You could do better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Each and every Thursday night, right here on stage, the most touring, the most excited band. But before you leave, don't go nowhere. Take back your seat. You came here tonight to see an artist, and the artist it is. You're not going to go undone because we promise you something, and we're going to ask everyone to stay on course. What we promise is what we deliver. This gentleman is no stranger to stage. He has performed in every arena. He has performed on every stage. New York City, Queens, are you ready to see this artist? Welcome on stage. Welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen. The artist, the performer. He came in earlier on JetBlue, and of course, transfer on a Land by Pasha. Inside of Queens Rolls Royce from IRA FM, New York City, stands. Give it up for Nardo Ranks.
Yes. Okay, hold on there. All right, may I have to introduce myself officially because a long time the people them not see me live in a Queens. Okay. Well, for those who know me, hi. For those who don't, my name is Nardo Ranks, aka Junkro. Who does that? Alright. Well, guess what? You see right now, we never do no rehearsal or none, but more want to give me the bam bam ready. Right? You have that. Alright. Alright, here what? Big up yourself. Jawise, think we not see you now. Alright, hold on there. Enough respect to the promoter. And think. Alright, hear this. Them song here, we're going to take you back in the 90s. Alright, cause them say a 90s Thursday. So run it. Every entertainer in the world. Boy, too much about and tell the girl them about browning. All of the girls them gonna shop to go and bleach out them skin. You ready? All of the girls them when they rub. You ready? Natural people. And them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, feel look like. Hold on there. Level it. A limited space, you know. A limited space, so me have to just keep it. Alright, work with me. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, oh man, me and you. Cause you know bleach out them skin. You know you don't care, feel look like a browning. And me and you, cause you yo, unlimited space me have, you know. Alright, we have a work. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Watch it now. Woman, me and you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You know use no chemical, feel look like no browning. I mean and you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You know use no chemical. Watch it. 90% of the girl, them join the system. Every girl nowadays, them want brown skin. Too much of one and tell them about the browning. Tell them say them want the color, the pumpkin. Some of the girl, them want say them want the camel skin. So them use the chemical and them got problem skin. Run out and some of them my brown skin. My God, what a thing. Some girl and them a bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Level. One black girl, cause you run the place. Look how you're nicer with your beautiful face. True, you're not brown, that is no disgrace. Tell them black girl, now what them win the race. Some a bleach, and I bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a... One drop. know this little girl from St. Catherine. One time you know the girl, she dark and slim. Now she get fat and she have brown skin. Me say, wait a little bit, you did that a foreign. She said, no, none of the wrongs the chemical be using. It me really use and turn brown. She a bleach and a bleach out. Hold on. Run it, see me, level it. Cause that song they want to know it already. You walk now. Play it level. You see when me do that song there, I was for the woman them. Cause the woman them mostly did a rub. Alright? Cause me come here to talk up the things them tonight. You know? But you see right now, at Jamaica, the man them are out bleach the woman them. Real talk. And you see through that, me have a style for the man them. We are out bleach the woman them. So I want you to just listen to this. Level. Level. Alright? Listen now. Are you ready? For the boy them, we are out bleach the woman them. Listen. Some boy with them woman now, them a run race and them a fight over bathroom space. 3 hours in the bathroom a bleach out them face. Looking at the thing and hold on. Level, come on to hear the lyrics you know. Run it now. Just bounce, yeah, but play it level, come on them hear the. Alright, listen. Some man with them woman now, them a run race and them a fight over bathroom space. 3 hours in the bathroom a bleach out them face. Looking at the thing and that a big disgrace. Some boy say them a tug and them a move like them bug. Chemical with the boy them a use rub. Rub? Yes, and then them step in at the club. Sip them champagne out a glass, not more. But one time them black like a black jug. Now them get white like a polar bear. Cough. Tell me the truth now, make a laugh. Listen. Some man say them a talk and them a move like them bug. Chemical with the boy them a use rub. Rub? Yes, and then them step in at the club. Sip them champagne out a glass, not more. But one time them black like a black jug. Now them get white like a polar bear cup. Come tell me the truth now where God love. If them the little thing that make you cuss bad word. Won't take the facial now with all mud. Chemical peel and scrub. Some boy with them woman now them a run race. And them a fight over bathroom. 3 hours in the bathroom and bleach on them. Listen. For the people in the area. Hold on, level. Listen that verse there. Listen, cause we not in a rush. For the people in the area. One time gone you're looking at the hairdresser. Woman alone you see a wait for get taken care of. Now X amount of man you see each up under the dryer. Get the manicure and I get the hair color. Like this little shatter with me no name Trevor. One time the boy skin black like piece of rubber. Now him get white and him look like flour. Him favor ghost. With him woman now him a run race. And him a fight over. Level again. Here what, you see, 2 players and Chaka Demus couldn't make it tonight. Them asked me to do something for them. Here what them asked me to do. Them asked me to tell you something. You know what hear what them asked me to tell you no? Listen. Know this little girl, her name is Maxie. Her face is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxie, you would have said, I don't know what I know, cause no. Murder she wrote. Hold on. You must not familiar with that one there. But listen me. Me know say you know that one you know. Hold on. You wanna help me now. Cause I work with you now. We come for nice on the place. Mr. Toots Ebert couldn't make it tonight. And he asked me to deliver the message of Uno. For him. Here where he asked me to say Uno. Want you to know that I the rock, saying this and saying that, going here and going there. Soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be. You know bleach out the skin, you know chemical. Thank you. All right. You know the Rockers Island rhythm? Banana, banana, pop. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. Hold on. Level it. All right. Here we are. You see that song, yeah? That song here originally done by me and Cocoa Tea, right? Cocoa Tea not there tonight. So me I beg you to help me do Cocoa Tea part. You don't know this song, you know. Me don't know this song, you know. So just help me do Cocoa Tea part. Alright? When you ready? Help me. Listen. The first time the youth, them say you learn a trader. And don't you turn. I know him gone. Him never want go. I know him gone. Him never want go. That's why me not like Rockers Island. Me not like Rockers Island. Me not like Rockers Island. Me not like. Watch out. Some man been to Rockers Island now for the first time, man. Look at them stickers, no one said that I'm mine. And boy run a back and I'll watch you behind, but them can't rap with yard, man. None of the time, and the man them mean Rasta know them no kind. Talking to the youth, them on the front line. Look at 9 to 5 and everything will be fine. Cause me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me level. First place you go and me say at the precinct. After that you gonna central booking. They saw them do all interrogated like the picture taking. Fingerprinting when you go to the gate you look up in the ceiling. And right there so them get the bad feeling. And them start to bawl and them start to crying. When them know say the sentence begin. Cause me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like. Help me again. The first time the youth, them say youth, learn a trader, and don't you turn your. I know him gone. Him never want go. I know him gone. Him never want go. That's why me no like Rockers Island. Me no like Rockers Island. Me no like Rockers Island. Me no like. Read it. Thank you. Yes, massive car. You know, say a Thursday. See, and this is 90s Thursday, as them say, all right? And a nice, real nice of the place. Here more you do, more you give me the giggy rhythm. The giggy rhythm there. Boop, 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 boom, boop, boop. level. All right, here we are. Yeah, hold on. We have to do the work first, because we know see enough artists in our place and thing. All right, here we are. You see tonight, me come to talk of the things then. Because I want to know, say, you see me's an artist who deal with social commentary. All right? And me have to tell you know where I'm going. Level it. Because remember me bring under the bleach, you know. So me have to tell you know where I'm going now. You see the latest thing where I'm going now? You have the woman them. I pump up them ass. I buy ass. We come to talk of the things them tonight. Here what? Hold on. Level it. We no mind, you know. But I just one thing me I tell you now. If you don't go and buy the ass, don't go to the aftermarket place. Go to a real plastic surgeon. Because we know we end up in a problem. You hear that? Alright? So you see through that? Them lyrics are reality, you know. Level. And things we are going now. Real thing. So you see through that? We want to listen. Alright? Well then, listen. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see the body that jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up. Woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me two eye them a steer up. I walk go with Tanisha. Last month me see her body flat like a pizza. This month when she reach her two body jaw them a jerk like a speaker. So me allow Tanisha. Then hold on, level. I want to listen, you know, level. A social commentary we deal with. Reality. And a real thing we are going. Listen. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see the body to jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up. Woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me two eye them a steer up. I walk on with Tanisha. Last month me see her body flat like a pizza. This month when she reach her two body jaw them a jerk like a speaker. So me allow Tanisha. Tell me what go on now you get a makeover. She said John come closer. The Brazilian butt lift it taking over. It makes you act like a poser. Hold on, let me tell you. Woman, yeah, real thing we are going, you know. Here, ladies, hold on, level. Me not knock the lady them, you know, but me just a beg you know. If you not go do the buy body, you go to the real plastic surgeon. Don't go to the aftermarket place where people do it in hotel room and all of that. Cause you know we get in a problem, alright? Listen now. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see them body to jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up. Woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me too, watch out. Say she already know she have a pretty face, certain thing on her body. She want to rearrange. Good with the hip, but she want a small waist. So she support some of the fat and put in at the right place. Hold on, we now. Listen. She want a body like Kim Kardashian. Hold on now, listen up. She want a body like Kim Kardashian. Amber Rose, who have a bigger one. Nicki Minaj, Trinidadian. Iggy Azalea as the Australian. Every girl want a piece of the action. If them body flat, like them can't function. So them have a personal plastic surgeon. Every girl want a piece of the action. Oh man, Hold on. Sure. Before me have some only for artists brethren in the place, you know. And me not selfish. So we have to call them in. But before me call them, me have to bring them back in a time. Yeah. You see that song here what me have to do? That song here name Original Brrrr. Yeah. And me have to tell you the way level. And me have to tell you the way brrrr mean. Because enough people don't know what brrrr mean. Thank you, my brother. Brrr is a Jamaican slang. It means on the move. Let me give you an example. You see all of the men that will have more than one woman. Say for instance, you come in here tonight with your side woman, and when you come in here, you come buck up on your wife, you just turn around and brrr through the door. Yeah. So run it. No, 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 I general roots and no, you are going on. This is one your name original. Everybody come and follow me. Say, this is one your name original. Everybody come on. It name woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go now. Woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go now. No discussion name, I'm Maria. From the day with our pain and sorrow. And every day with us a fight over. She run, come on, hold on, mommy. Me I think you are one link for now. From the conversation, she run, go fi. And then run, come and charge me fi. Go and the judge him say. Go where you become me know you jump up. We don't know why your name now. So, woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go. Woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't, never. The same girl named Anne Maria. For stepfather, walk her eso. For her mother, she walk her creamo. She take drugs, she get poro. One use a gun and blow me marrow. One take me for beggar's barrow. Beg today and not give back tomorrow. So, man, if you love me, please let me know. Level. Alright, before me call on my brethren, me just give a last piece of thing, because I don't have to know where I'm going, you know. Level. Yes, Mr. Wayne Paul, think me not see you know. Wayne Paul, level. You walk now. You see, the other day, me get up and me start act crazy. And my girl think me that get mad, see? So she carry me go to the psychiatrist. And them try to diagnose me. But them not find nothing. So them come to the conclusion. Say me musically mad. And me can't cure. Them say me incurable. So through that, me build a style. Yeah. But me gonna tell you how the style go. You have to watch. Hold on, level. You have to watch the facial expression. If you know how mad the style is, okay? So just pay attention. Pay it level. We call this the incurable, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready, feet? Yeah. The incurable. The incurable. The incurable. Sure. Hold on. One more time. Level. Hold on, sit ya. Yeah, man, that one there, you're dead. Alright, hold your belly. Watch this. Sit ya again. Just watch the facial expression. Listen. The incurable. The incurable. The incurable. Sure. Yo, toughest, how are you there? Toughest. Yo. Stick up in, come in. Hold on there, level. Cause I want my brother this, you know. Them man here, we are on the road. We are Johnny B from in the 90s. These are the toughest. So toughest, make them hear you. Good night, the old full paper. Hold on, cut. Good night. How are you feeling? Alright, hold on now. My friend just give it to the woman them a while ago. So the woman them a pump up. Yeah, and I showed her. But me have to defend back the woman them now. No. No, me have to defend back the woman them now. No. Alright. Watch out. Some man dirty. Them dirty. So don't every day and a chat girl picking it who look good from who look sexy. But when them a look at woman, them a sweet mouth Charlie. But when they get the signal, the woman she sorry. Them walk all boat and I tell everybody. Tell it to Tony, I tell it to Mikey. How they set it, how they stop it, how they juke it, and how they run it. But the figure them not talk when them a suck it. No, sir! They can't bother topic, John here. John here topic. Hold on, one more. Hold on, come on, full of lyrics, you know. Me, full of lyrics. Hold on. Look. Alright. You see, true, me love Punani. You don't know what happened to me? Eh? Some woman not easy. Well, I don't want to take it anywhere them feel on it. Woman not easy. Well, I don't want to take it anywhere them feel on it. Me talking about a girl by the name of Punsy. Gonna originate from down in the country. So one night me book the little girl at one party. As the girl see me, the girl start to call me. Come here young man, don't tell you name Tuffy. Don't tell you do the true name Duppy about me. As me could not tell her yes, the woman grab on for me. Fling me in a corner, start to water bumpy. Then I will have a nice thing how she start to tell me. Tell me something Tuffy. Me not easy. Tonight this is what I want you promise to me. You go follow me, go home me cause me free that Duppy. And before me reach me yard, me have to pass a cemetery. So me never know say you trick the girl that trick me. So me big up me chest and me not afraid of Duppy. I walk down the road big bad and bossy. As me reach up near, figure past the cemetery. Me I go feel when the woman grab on for me before she could have said nothing. They start kiss me. I suck up me tongue, I suck it like a sweetie fling. Me down on the tomb now start to strip me. Mister tell me something woman, but you not easy. You need to tell me say you want it in the cemetery. Tell me something woman, you not afraid of Duppy. She said set up your mouth. That's a long time story. When me used to hear from grandma and me old granddaddy. So me fly and pan it like a fling agony. Me no want the woman text me a run from Puni. So me fly and pan it start to fling agony. But hold on. So me fly and pan it start to fling agony. Me no want the woman text me a run from Puni. But all of a sudden something lick me. When me jump up was a old lady. No having no teeth and a smile with me. Me say Jesus Christ, now I want this for me. Same time the Duppy woman start to argue with me. She say you know your rank boy and your feisty. Imagine Pantaban 2 me come and do it make me see. You know must expect me want to feel horny. When you do it with Chile, you forgot do it with me. You could have run in here tonight, get her. Duppy, come in, Duppy. Yo, Neil, stick up in. Hold on, stick up in, come in. Hold on. Let me introduce you officially. I wanna read this to stick up in. See, make the people them know say you win.
Yeah, so stick up in. We have to get it in. Good man, get the shoes and my things and before me start. Get the shoes and my something. Hold it. You hear that? This one called Girl Thief. All the man with teeth a lot of girls in my son on. Girl Thief, I make my son found out there. Girl Thief, my son. Oh, girl Thief, you know watching out there with the people. With the man, the woman, my son. Girl Thief, I love girl, my thief. I love girl, my thief. Love girl, my thief. Love girl, my thief. Man, I wife up him girl and feel so she not get way. He man not come, but I mean I sneak way. Me love till me weak, yeah. Me not fi seat up when me and girl meet up. You surprised that when me tell her she get up before the night done she get beat up. Me never hold up on a gun point. Me never hold up on a knife point. I just see right word me find. Meet her after you leave it her after 9. Why material and no contact? Alright then, in a me double, y'all give me trouble. I make me walk, I make hear them a wobble too. In a me double, y'all give me trouble. I make me walk, I make hear them a wobble too. So me back in a me double bed. Y'all is the most run drop on the cocky head. Sing it like say you are the Mac DJ. Me know you're not doing it right. She a do it, you know, me never like it. She got me seat back and bite it. Top lip, bottom lip, she got me sandwich. I be just speak all the great type of language. Who's a hot to me, check out the bottom jaw. It's a will have it. So me back in a me double, call I give it. I wait things them next year. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? There you go! Yeah, real jump right now.
Stop going like you want, take on my show. You forget say it's my show. Alright, we have one more youth. Topic, how are you there? Topic. Cause we not kill champion, you know, we raise them. You understand? Cause we are forward, hold on Topic, you good. We are forward from Wayne Wonder days. Spragga Benz, the whole way. Big up the youth like TC. You see them youth here MC show from in the 80s. And you stick with it. Yeah man, TC, the girl and cup of tea. Come in Topic. Topic. You from the tropic. Make the people them hear it.
Topics around. Topics no boy can't take for no clown. You see that one here? For the parents them. Listen, this is how me live my life. My parents, mama grow me right. Poverty me see that in my eyesight. Kindness me know say that is right. Listen, when me come home from school, mama make sure say me food it cool. Daddy check my back for every school tool. Homework, me have to get that done. Later, me can have some fun. Play with my friend till sun come down. Elder, me have to give respect. Listen, pull it up again, brother.
Alright, hold on. Topic, enough respect. Alright, here one, hold on. You see before me leave, me have to tell you no what I go on. Alright, what you say? You can DJ? Alright, that girl that says she want bust a tune. Let me hear you. Listen me, hold on. Level. Listen me. I don't know you from Adams. I don't know you from a can of paint. Alright, so don't disappoint me. Do you think I will give people break?
Hold it down low for the banana reading. Me a tell a seminar, make no gal come kiss up on my jaw. So come my tongue like them a subscribe. Play with my best like them a do it hard. No, me a tell a seminar, make no gal come kiss up on my jaw.
Hold on. Yo. Me think you're a real DJ. How are you run, bro? Hold on, alright. Make she go on. Watch out, run the punani rhythm. Hold on. She do her thing. Level it, run it same way, but level it, play it level. Alright. All of the man them will love pum pum. Make a hear no say rah. Cause me not tell a lie, me love punani bad. Level. All of the girls them with tight pum pum, make a hear no say rah. Rascal. Okay. Only one. Alright, level. I hear you. Yeah. Level. Listen to the lyrics here now. That one your name, boom. When me say that one your name. That one your name. When me say that one your name. Help me now. That one your name. When me say that one your name. All girls with tight. All man we love. Level. 7 wise men with knowledge so fine created the pum pum to their design. First was a butcher, Mr. Smart with wit. Using a knife, he gave it a split. Second was a carpenter, strong and bold. With a hammer and a chisel, gave it a hole. Third was a tailor, tall and thin. Used some red velvet and line it within. Fourth was a hunter, short and stout. Used some fox fur and line it without. Fifth was a fisherman, nasty no hell. Drop a fish in there and give it a smell. Sixth was a preacher, them call him McHale. Well, listen, run it, see me and keep it level. Just listen. That one your name, boom, boom. When me say that one your name, all girls with tight, all man with love. That one your name. When me say that one your name, all girls with tight, all man with love. Listen on level. 7 wise men with knowledge so fine created the pum pum to their design. First was a butcher, Mr. Smart with wit. Using a knife, he gave it a split. Second was a carpenter, strong and bold. With a hammer and a chisel, gave it a hole. Third was a tailor, tall and thin. Used some red velvet and line it within. Fourth was a hunter, short and stout. Used some fox fur and line it without. Fifth was a fisherman, nasty no hell. Drop a fish in there and give it a smell. Sixth was a preacher, them call him Mackie. Touch it, bless it, then in same can pee. Last came a sailor, dirty little run. Rum it and stab it and call it a pun. I wanna name boom, boom. Alright, love you now. Alright, hold on.
Nada rocks. Watch out about 90s. Are you there?
Yeah.
The whole of there from Dan One Studio. The whole of it.
Yeah.
People never know what's to it.
Yeah.
Nada rocks. You drop that bleach,
Yeah.
which is one of your favorites. One of the most popular. But now when you drop the number 2nd most popular song you did in the 90s, but most of Jamaica. After the bleach, before the bleach, you know better about.
Alright. Yeah, but me DJ bleach already, you know. Alright, here we are going to go on now. Run the same rhythm. Let me tell you what I go on. Alright, before me leave, who see the movie named Jamaican Mafia? Who see the movie named Jamaican Mafia? Well, level. I'm here, level. I'm here the villain tonight. I'm here them called John Crow. I'm here the red mohawk. And I kill people. So you see through that level. Let me go now a piece of that. With the catchphrase. Listen. Here we go now. Latest talk where the world are endorse. Jamaican Mafia soldier are the boss. Jam from in me hotter than pepper sauce. Now the fussy them get me cross. Well, we no watch them now with them big tough. When we a step through fussy have a mass. Lyrically kill them fast. But my thing we now endorse. Well, who does that? Who does that? Smiling at your face say that you and them a friend. Who does that? Who does that? Behind your back them want see you end. Who does that? Who does that? Fire upon the man them we murder children. Who does that? Who does that? Me and them if I see them we could have never friend. One thing we know, can't trust people. Smiling at your face and them heart is evil. That's why John Gunner left the eagle. Bang 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 through the eye of an eagle. Execution man a pass martial law. Man a dead, blood a spill at the place a smell raw. Build me some coffee no undertaker. For all of the fussy who a kill grandma. Who does that? Who does that? Love or not? Just check me out. Now the ranks is everywhere. Google me. Sure. Okay, hold on. One more artist there. We couldn't leave and not make him touch it. Rastaman, come in. Come in, Rastaman. Because we no bias enough. You have to do your thing. Come in quick now. Your name call. Come in quick. Show the people them way out.
Yeah man, give thanks to brother. Selassie, I give thanks to. Hold on brother. That one is dedicated to the brother we have built the wall. You see the brother we have built the wall? We are making music. Emily. You will tell the brother we have built the wall. Me only could afford to eat one time a day, but man get richer now. Man, I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner now. Take out my mother and my father to Disney now. One used to share for 3 years, we are share for 1 year now. Invite the whole family over and kill a cow. Never you fi fight about the pop show. Yo, you're the best man with him.
Alright, Natty, enough respect. Look out for the Ross, see? Yeah, God. Alright, love you know. Here what? Check me out. I'm gonna be in this new movie gonna release me named Made in New York. Alright? Just check it out. I'm in a web series named Informer. Go YouTube, type in Informer series, episode 1, and you will see it come up. Alright? Stay tuned. You know, now the ranks are all veteran. And we love you know. Alright? So enough respect and give thanks for coming out tonight and support. Just Google me, we now move. TC, original MC. Come say some, come close it.
Yo, people, as we stand here, we stand with the artists that come all the way from the 90s, the 80s. And we show respect to the originals that stay in it, that been in it, and even when them come on stage and knowing it, they make sure touch some new licks to appreciate it. People give Nada Ranks a nice round of applause. Come on, people, give Nada Ranks a nice round of applause. Brilliant. That's what we're talking about. People, you see me and them on them with the whole away. I come from the Dan One studio. And when I talk about Dan One studio, I talk about original 90s for you.
Yeah, and I have to big up the artists them in that place. Man like many more. Richie Tech, see, Toughest, all of you. Big up the youth like Pasha. And you see, before I leave, you know, I have to give you my favorite song, Louis Armstrong. It go like this. I see clouds of white, skies of blue, children happy, no one feeling blue. And I say to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. And I say to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. Good night, love you. Google me, NARDORANKS. You find me everywhere. Love you.
Nada Ranks, and no wonder them call you Janko. Janko, fly away! Nada Ranks, people! Nada Ranks! And we talk about my band, and we talk about my band. What the vocals? When we talk about Jenna Roots, when we talk about my go ahead. All right, Jenna Roots is gonna back up. No, when I say what's back up, Jenna Roots is gonna play. No, me can't say play with. Cause I want to play with too. Jenna Roots is gonna work alongside an artist. People, the artists that they put everybody flyer. People, you ever see a flyer? What's it? Such and such and many more. You ever see a flyer? What's it? Such and such and many more. You're gonna meet many more tonight. People, welcome many more.
All the beautiful ladies, how you doing? You were seen running around with people. Special request. Oh yeah. C'est comme ça fait. Everybody, none of it. You were seen running around with him again. Oh yeah. When you said you were through with
people them are queens of there. I don't give thanks and praise for life, say, Jah. Can I hear my beautiful lady scream? Run it again, you don't know, so that's it. Let's take a tip on to one. Mr. Manager, turn it up, turn it up. You were seen running around with him again. Sing it. And I knew when you said you went through with him, you still care. Oh, just when I thought you were mine, he gave you the same old lies. And now you running around, I'm gonna be left with a broken heart. I guess this is where you want to stay. Oh yeah. But I much rather have you here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, why didn't you let me know before I let myself go? And now you running around, I'm gonna be left with a broken heart. Yeah, bridge. Yes. To the bridge. I knew the deed was taking you away. By the way, he was looking at you that day. Another love. Sing, oh. Nothing left for me to say. No, darling. But one day you're gonna come back to me. Yes, in someone else's arms I'm gonna be. And when you're gonna be left with a broken heart. Oh, left. One more time, I ask, left with a broken heart. Thank you very much. That's alright. My name is Manny Moore. I don't know, check me out. Alright. Alright, I'm not giving the generals by no trouble. Alright, give me that now. You don't care for me at all. Give it again, come on, Chelsea. Second all around. You don't know my teacher. Yeah. For the ladies. You don't care for me at all. I found you only stay to make me feel so very strong. Don't you don't want me now. I've got to vision so hard. Be too late. Darling, then you go again. Hurt me in front of all my wonderful friends. I'll be good to you. Pull up. Hold on. Alright, next song. I want you to give me the love bomb. Yeah, you man? Give me the love bomb, man. Come on, ladies, them there. See?
People, when TC come out, we take it to a different level because President Sean
and kind of say, TC, do what you want to. So you see, like the biggest artist in the world, the on stage, many more. As you see Flyer say, and many more, and this is many more. Now we're gonna make the greatest bassist. We'll come out a short time in Jamaica. Derek Barnett, I'm gonna join the crew. Many more talk to them.
Yes, well, TC, watch this. Me are the smallest artist, my general, not the biggest artist. Okay? We don't know we're humble, see? Anyway, love bump, Mr. Barnett. You don't know, for the ladies. See if you remember them style there. Love bump for them.
Oh yeah, oh, 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 oh.
Remember this? Lipstick on my collar, told them till on me. Lipstick on my collar, told the till on me. A little bit of soul will wash away that lipstick from my face. A little bit of woo. Give me a hand now. Lipstick on my collar, told that tin on me. Lipstick on my collar, told the tin on me. A little bit of soap will wash away that lipstick from my face. A little bit of soap will never ever begin to take away the hurt that I feel as I go through the lonely hills. A little bit of soap will wash away my tears. I don't even know how to love you just the way you want me to. Oh, girl, say with me. But I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. To fall in love. To fall in love. To fall in love.
Come on, girl. What on there? Level. Many more. Y'all sing, and guess what? Me get jealous. Level, listen. Since you've been away, I've been down and low. Hold on, let me get your key good. Listen. Since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Try to understand all the things that you left me. Do you run into? Ooh, baby, I've been missing you.
Balance. Turn up now, balance. Now watch this. Balance, man. Make I remove my spectacles and look at the lovely people. Balance, look at talk to the people. Balance. Now, a while ago, I'm gonna share this with the audience. It's a detrimental position they put me in a while ago, you know. Them call on a small artist like me after big now the ranks. You know, so right now I could have been in some ocean, I drowned somewhere. You know what I'm saying? But I show the love of the people. You see what I say? All the people who love reggae music, make I hear say reggae music. I hope they don't mean it. Balance. They them love reggae music. All who love reggae music say reggae music. If you love reggae music, charge $5, come give me. Balance. Hold on, man. Hold on now, I'm working right now. Balance. If you love reggae music, charge $5, come give me. All who love reggae music. This is a no rebirth show, by the way. What you have to say, Matisha?
Listen, level. All right, see you get $5. Listen. Oh me, oh my, baby girl, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I won't tell you why. Oh me, oh my, baby girl, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, many more.
Don't move.
Baby girl, I love you, and I didn't treat you right, honey.
No, I still love you, and our future's bright, yes. You don't tell me that you love me, but you tell all your friends, yes. Well, why don't you tell me when I'm close to you? Sing me, I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it when you move close to me, baby. Oh yeah. This, so brand new, so one job. Make us a brand new, something wait near my true man. Tough new style of wait near my true man. When me say the style here again. Ah, balance. You don't know the song? That's it. Are you ready again? No, where I go? I just show you now. Brand new something wait near my true man. Tough new style of wait near my true man. When me say the style here again. Ah, true man, balance. Sure. Hypocrite and parasite, them fit dead, that true man. Certain people, them they get fool man. Bed never really make for you being two man. Bed make for you being a man and a woman. But for combination like a pussy and two man. And then we are getting king now. How about for this thing and make up for your blue man? Balance man. Balance. I open up pick you and pick me now. Balance.
Why many more? I don't pick them up, pick you rich. Hold on, no move. Me just touch a little piece and give it back to you. Listen, level. Since you've been away, been down and lonely. Since you've been away, I've been missing you. Try to understand all the reasons you left me. Where were you running to? Ooh, baby, I've been missing you. Tell me many more.
Balance. No. I'm glad I come up here, Sir Rasta. You know, say you have a song. Balance. I love that song down there and I sing the song, you know. One to the big bad song when you're in New Jersey Drive. I want to play now.
Hold on, level. Hold on, you see the song named New Jersey Drive? Alright, I'm me and Junior Demos, but Junior Demos not there. So me I go alone, I go do it. And this is a real thing. This is when we in our teenage years and I run up and down on the Jersey Turnpike. So you will tell them, New Jersey Drive. I know you want to drive up on the Jersey Turnpike. You name the New Jersey Drive. I know you want to drive up on the, watch out. After me left New York and me I go Washington. When me hit the turnpike, hit it with caution. Policeman they there wait now if you pull down someone. Especially if you look like Jamaican. You better pray to God say your papers no wrong. And make sure your license in a good condition. Then at the New Jersey Drive. Watch how you want to drive up on the Jersey Turnpike. In at the New Jersey Drive. Watch how you want to drive up.
It's a brand new something wait near my true man. Tough new style wait near my true man. When me say this style name again. Balance, let me hear what I want. So hypocrite and parasite, them fit dead and true man. Certain kind of people, them they get flu man. Bed never really make fear being two man. Bed make fear being a man and a woman. Perfect combination like a foot and a shoe man. And like me and tell the king no. We are done with this me and my jaw for your boo man. Shopping my bed, they get it split in two man. Here comes police, but put up your two hands. Don't police right, I lie. I say your fist but you're not really human. I know if you tell a bird of human. If they are your monkey bee, go back and zoom man. A bad man a bad. I like brand new. Balance man. The sun can't nice if you don't say a true man, you know. Make us a brand new something wait near my true man. When me say this style name again, I like you know. You don't want money? You don't want money? You don't have to go sing harmony. So listen, when me say this style name again, true man, last one before me let go. When me bought them up, you tell me what them going to do, man. After me not afraid to go fit them and them crew, man. Kill the whole of them, cause we no business at home, man. Boy, you got dead. Alright? To go foreign this, them want run come soon, man. Man, don't beat them bad, this in them black and blue, man. But say them, I said, we never know what they do, man. I eat that thing, we go on with, alright? From you, sit down, I love you. I love you.
TC, come in, TC. Come in, TC. You're the world's greatest MC. Alright? Yes, massive. What me now tell a lie? I'm the first me forward in I love the Thursday night vibes. Yeah, enough respect to each and every one. Yeah, just check me out on the internet. Google me. When you put in my name NARDORANKS or JUNKRO, Junker, you will find me. TC.
Play low, play low, play low. Want to check louder rats. Want to check many more. Want to check toughest. Want to check the Rasta. What are the other artists the name again? Stick up in. But no stick up in the next artist to perform. What name again? Celia. Respect. Tropics. Tropic, respect. People, they came all the way from Brooklyn. They have the visa to travel to Queens, and they're here. So, on behalf of the staff and management, and we call it the showtime. We'll get to the musical playing. Fata Diamond, General Roots, one love, one bless, one harmony. Pop, pop, pop.